lovelies, hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel. Hi, I'm Poulomi. You are more than welcome to my channel. And if you've already been there with me, then no more introduction is basically needed. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this particular eye makeup look, where I have played with basically two colors, being the three colors, being a blue and a yellow and a green. So yeah, this is the color theory for today's look. If you want to know how I achieve this particular eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. And if you want to know how I achieve this particular base makeup look, then please head on to my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @Poulomi_Mimi, and from there you can check out this entire base makeup routine and many other more videos. So now, without any more further blabbering, let's dive into the video. So now, as you can see that I'm all done with my base makeup, so I'll quickly go ahead and start on with my eye makeup. And to make it very clear that I have already prepped and primed my eyelid. To prep and prime my eyelid, I have used my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. I just love using this one. And I have slightly set my eyes with a translucent HG loose powder by the brand K Beauty. So this is the powder which is over here. It is the translucent powder. It is in the, as you can see, it is in the shade white. So I have used this particular powder to set that concealer slightly with a fluffy blending brush. So yeah, I'm basically done with prepping and priming of my eyelids. So without any more further delay, I will quickly start on with my eyeshadow palette. And the very first palette today that I'm going to take right now is going to be my Colourpuff Cosmetics Blue Moon palette, which is basically this one. And taking this beautiful blue palette over here, as you can see, it is their blue variant. And from this particular palette, I'm going to take this beautiful shade over here called, so yeah, I'm going to take this beautiful blue, dark blue shade called Clubbed In. So taking that shade onto my brush, I am going to put it onto my crease, and then further I will be blending it out. So first I'm just going to take that shade and onto my brush, and I'm just going to start putting it onto my crease. Slowly drawing the outline how my crease is going to look. Right now I am not doing anything more than that. I'm just drawing a outline so that I can follow this outline for the entire look. So this is what I am doing. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm totally done with putting that dark blue shade onto my crease, and now I'm going to blend it out. And to blend it out, I'm going to take another shade from the same palette, and the shade is going to be this particular shade over here called Moonlight. So I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here with this very light blue shade over here onto a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to start blending that blue shade. This look is also not very technical and it is not very tough to achieve, but the only thing is that this look needs a lot of blending. Like, I won't say a lot of blending, but at least like some amount of blending is needed to achieve that best desired result from this kind of looks. So I'm just doing nothing but blending that blue shade with that light blue shade called Moonlight. And when I will be done with the amount of blending, I will move on to the next step. So right now I'm just taking that shade from my palette, and taking that shade I'm just blending the outer edges of the dark blue shade, and I'm just blending and diffusing the outer edges. Now as you can see that I'm totally done blending that dark blue shade with that light blue shade and creating a blended transition. So right now I'm just going to leave it like that and cut my crease to clean up this particular area of my eyelid. And to do that, I'm going to take this concealer over here, which is the PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. So I'm just going to take this beautiful concealer over here, which I use to prep and prime my eyelids. So I'm going to take this concealer over here and start cutting my crease. So I'm just going to take the concealer onto my brush, and I'm going to start cutting my crease. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm totally done with my cut crease, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go towards another palette. And for that, today I'm going to take my Colourpop Cosmetics Just My Luck palette, which is basically this one. I'm taking this beautiful palette over here. I'm going to take this beautiful dark green shade over here called Act Natural, so which is basically this one. So I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here and I'm going to put it onto this lid portion of my eyes. I'm just not going to go all over till here. I'm just going to start from the inner portion and I'm just going to stop it where my eyeball is starting. So I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to put it onto like the 1/4 portion of my eyes, but onto the inner corners. You can see that I'm totally done putting on that dark green shade onto like this area of my eyes. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put on some glitter onto this outer corner of my eyes, and for that I'm going to take my Colourpop Cosmetics Honey palette, and from this beautiful palette over here I'm going to take this beautiful yellow glitter, like this yellow pressed glitter over here, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to take that beautiful glitter over here and I'm going to place it onto the outer corner of my eyes. So as I'm going towards that green shade, I am lowering the intensity of this glitter primer. As you can see, towards the end it's very dense and intense and thick, but towards the front I'm just lighting up the intensity of the glitter that I'm putting. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm totally done putting on that glitter, so I'm just going to go back towards that green shade which I put onto this area, and I'm just going to smudge this particular junction area. So yeah, I'm going to go back towards the brush which I used to put on that green, and taking that brush I'm going to go back towards the green shades and I am going to place slightly blend it to give it the diffused look. So now at this point, when I'm done with that, I'm going to go behind the camera, put on some falsies and some mascara and completing the other eye, and I will be right back. So now I'm back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye. So this is it for my today's look. So what I did behind the camera extra is that I went ahead and put on these green rhinestone onto the yellow area over here. So I have done that for both the eyes, and this is what I wanted to do. I just wanted to add on some extra bling to my eyes, to my entire face. So yeah, this is it for my today's look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys have enjoyed the video, then do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.